Now I'm going to demonstrate hand fasting using this beautiful decorative center knot. So I would like to invite you to join your left hands. Wonderful. And then I'm going to begin by draping this over your hands. And again, anyone could be invited to do this. So for this demonstration, the couple are going to tie the knot themselves. So first of all, I'd like to invite James to begin by draping the cord over Heather's wrist. Lovely. And then the same, Heather, with you. Beautiful. So you're draping that over each other's wrists. So I'll invite you, James, to begin taking your cord, and then Heather taking your cord and looping that through. Excellent. So then pulling, that's excellent. So you're sealing in that vow that you have just shared. And then it may be that you want to share more vows, 2 or 3 more vows, and add knots yourself. Or the celebrant could tie a knot. Maybe 1 more joint vow. Beautiful. And then at the end of the ceremony, or whenever the couple choose to release their hands, I would invite them to just gently begin to release their hands. Wonderful. And there we have a beautiful memento of their vows, of their love, something that they can keep, they can display at home, and they can use again and again.